Good evening. Good evening, all of you. There is no all of you. Only few of you are there. But it's okay. I have some time. So I wanted to spend some time on YouTube. So I'm spending it. Okay. So I have some time, so I wanted to spend some time on. So I'm spending it. So today I would like to explain quadratic equations. Okay. Now in all the schools, almost morning I am going to teach you triangles. Morning time I am going to teach you triangles, and evening time if I have time, then I will be teaching quadratic equations. So सुबह जो है वो क्लास में मैं ट्राइंगल्स पढ़ाऊँगा. अभी पहला एक्सरसाइज हो गया है, 6.2 हो गया है. So tomorrow I am going to do some theorems in triangles, and so morning जो है वो वैसा ही करूँगा. अभी evening अभी जो है जो टाइम अभी I have some free time, so I would like to give some concepts to the people. Okay. So now quadratic equations. I'll just give you the concepts. What is a quadratic equation, and etc. etc. So quadratic equation is an equation. First you have to understand that it is an equation. Quadratic equation. Equation means there should be an is equal to symbol, equality. Quadratic means degree 2. So quadra means it should be the degree should be 2. The equation whose degree should be 2. So any second degree equation in one variable, two variables also, but at present we are dealing only one variable. Any second degree equation in one variable, we will call it as a quadratic equation. I will give you just example. X to the power of 2 minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. In polynomials there is no is equal to 0, but now we have is equal to 0. Okay. X square minus 3x. So its degree is 2, highest power of the variable is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So I'll give one more example. Root 2 x square minus 4 root 2 x minus 5 is equal to 0. Even this is also a quadratic equation. We are not bothered about the coefficients. So here the root 2 is the coefficient of x square. 4 root 2 minus 4 root 2 is the coefficient of x, and minus 5 is constant. So don't worry about the constants, you just worry about only the highest power. So now I will give you a general form, standard form of quadratic equation. Standard form. So standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Hi Lavanya, are you from YPS? So a is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant. So here condition is a is not equal to 0, that is first condition, and other condition is these A, B, C are real numbers. A, B, C are real numbers. So if A is equal to 0, then x square term will get eliminated. Then only bx plus c will be there. So then it will not be a quadratic equation. That is why here, if you want to write a standard form of quadratic equation, x square term must be there. So then b can be 0, c can be 0. There is no problem. B can be 0. If b is 0, then x term will not be there. If c is 0, then okay, what are you doing right now, Lavanya? I didn't hear any this name Lavanya. If you are an old student, okay. So A is not equal to 0. So x term can be 0, constant also can be 0, but only x square term should be there. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So you should be aware of what is A. What is A is nothing but coefficient of x square, and B is a coefficient of x, and C is constant. So in quadratic equation, maximum 3 terms only should be there. Minimum 1 term should be there. That 1 term should be x square term. So this is what is the basic information of a quadratic equation. Let me say this is A. And then what you can go about the other things. Okay, so solution of the equation. Every equation will have solution or root. So solution of the equation is very much needed. What is the solution of a quadratic equation? So solution of any equation is very simple. The value of the variable at which the equation gets satisfied is the solution. Okay, in my morning class I have explained you solution or root. So these are the values of the variable where the equation gets satisfied. Okay, so then how to find the solution of the quadratic equation is the task in 10th class. That's it, in 10th class. So finding the solution of the quadratic equation, only that concept is there. Okay, so now how many solutions will be there? Because degree is 2, there should be 2 solutions or 2 roots. There should be 2 roots and 2 solutions. Okay, so now before that we will just check. Hello, madam చెప్పండి.
అదండి తినో సరిగా రావట్లేదు కదండి. ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేసి గట్ట మానేస్తుంది, మీరు ఉండట్లేదు. టైమింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ నుంచి కరెక్ట్గా వస్తానంటుంది.
ఓకే, నేను ఒకసారి మీతో మాట్లాడాలి, రాగలరా మీ ఇద్దరు?
ఎవరండి?
మీరు మీ అమ్మాయి. ఒక్కసారి జస్ట్ ఒక 5 minutes.
ఇప్పుడు రావడానికి అవదండి, అంటే నాకు రావడానికి అవదండి. వాళ్ళ డాడీని పంపించండి.
డాడీని కూడా పంపించు, ఎవరైనా పంపించు. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను ప్రస్తుతం. ఒక 15 నిమిషాల్లో అయిపోతుంది. నేను
సరే, ఒక 15 నిమిషాల్లో వస్తారులేండి.
నేను ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాను. సరేనా?
సరే
సరే. So because degree is 2, there should be 2 solutions. Linear equation, degree is 1, there is only 1 solution. Okay, so before going to that, let us see what is exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Let me just give you a briefing. Exercise it is completely based on the information just now I have explained you. 4.1, check whether the following are quadratic equations or not. This is the first question. Check. In this 8 bits are there. So now you have to check, identify whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Very simple. Only one process is there. You have to bring the entire equation to the standard form. So the standard form, again I will remind you, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. So only 3 terms would be there. Now in the first bit, what he has given, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So now this is not polynomials, of course. Yeah. So now I have taken the topic quadratic equations. Polynomials I have already explained. You can check back my videos. Okay, I have given all the exercises. So now it is not in the standard form. There is a bracket and etc. Right hand side is there, left hand side is there. You have to bring everything to hello Satyam. I don't know who is Satyam. Meher, are you from YPS? So let us expand this. X plus 1 whole square. A plus b whole square formula you have to write. A square plus 2ab plus b square. I have written directly 2x minus 6. I have opened the brackets. Now bring all the terms to the left hand side. There is only one x square. Right hand side there is no x square term. Now in the left hand side x term there is a 2x, and right hand side also there is one 2x. You bring the 2x to this side. So it will become minus 2x. And then it comes to the, this is x square term, this is x term, and then constant. Constant left hand side 1 is there. Right hand side minus 6 is there. You bring that to the left hand side, plus 6 is equal to 0. So now simplify it. X square, 2x will get cancelled, 0, nothing will be there. X square plus 7 is equal to 0. So yes, degree, what is the degree here? Degree is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Now what are the values of ABC? So let me write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, hello Satyam, are you from Andhra Pradesh or Maharashtra? A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0 because there is no x term. So b is 0 and constant c is equal to 7. So it is a quadratic equation. That means you have to bring the entire thing to the standard form. This is the standard form. So it is a simple algebraic process. You have to bring it out. Now let me do one more question of this model. Okay. So if you are having textbook in front of you, you can ask me which problem you wanted to do. So let me do 8th. All are of the same. 7th bit. 7th bit. Satyam. I didn't get reply from Satyam. Hello Satyam. Where are you from? Are you a student? So 7th bit. First question. So let me copy it properly. Very big task. You have to copy the question very clearly. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So previously it was whole square, now it is whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula you have to write. A plus b whole cube. So a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This formula you have to put it there. So x cube, b cube, 2 cube means 8, 3a square b, 3 into a square is x square, b 2, so 6x square, 3ab square, 3 into a x, 3x into 4, 12x is equal to 2x into x square, 2x cube, and 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Now all the terms bring it to the same side, right? So now x cube, there is one x cube term on right hand side, you bring write it near x cube term, okay? So now x square, after x cube, x square term should be there, 6x square. There is no x square term on right hand side, only one 6x square. So now we have got x cube term, 12x plus 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. So now degree is 3, therefore it is not a quadratic equation because x cube term is there, it is not a quadratic equation. So like this you have to do all the problems. So at present I will stop this lesson, okay? I will continue this lesson